everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and we are on week 32 of our cleaning and decluttering series. And this week we are working on the children's bedrooms, closets, just the closets alone. We're going to take all the hanging clothes and we're going to go through those. We're going to get anything that's the wrong size, that's stained or it's torn or it's worn. We're going to get rid of those. We're going to make sure they have enough clothes for church and school and for everyday wear once they get home from school. And then we're going to go through the drawers. If there's any drawers in the closet, we're going to clean those out. We're going to label them if need be. And we're going to do the same to the shelves. We're going to clean those out and reorganize them. We're also going to clean the bottom of the closet and get it clean. Now, depending on how old your child is, as to whether you're going to be doing this yourself, whether you're going to be doing it with the help of the child, or whether the child alone is going to be doing it with you supervising. And I don't have to do any. My kids are all grown. They've been out on their own. They've come back. They've been out on their own. And right now I've got two of them here, and they're taking care of their own area. The only thing I do have is the one boy is in what is used to be called a mother-in-law apartment. It has a closet, but for the last 15 years, we have been using that closet as a storage area. So I'm going through that closet. It's a complete mess, as you can see. And I'm going to take all the clothes off the hangers, off the rods, go through them. I went through my clothes, got rid of 2 whole boxes of old prom dresses and bridesmaid dresses, and dresses that are good 50 years old, you know. So I got rid of those. Got a pile for my husband and for the boys to go through to see if what belongs to what, because if we didn't have a home for it, we threw it in the closet. And for a long time before Sean got married, he was using that room. So a lot of his stuff is in there too. So he's got to go through and find out what's his. But I'm making that closet available for Chris. And then in Chris's old room, where his closet's at now, I'm going to move his stuff into that room, so that everything is in that apartment area. And so he doesn't have to go through the house to get to his old room to get, you know, whatever he wants to wear if it's not already in there. So we're trying to transfer his closet. So that is what my project's been. So like I said, I don't have any little kids, but I do have that that I'm working on. So that is what we're working on. Hopefully you can get yours child's closet organized and looking better, and to the point where the child can keep it up on their own. And like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned next week to see what we're going to do next. So, remember, dream big, follow that dream. It's a short video, but it's raining out here and lightning's starting, so I'm going to get back inside.